My name's Austin, and I'm a hunter. I love hunting with my dad. I really look up to my old man. He's done a lot in his life. If I can be half as good of a man as him, I would be happy. When we're out here hunting, the roads are normally logging roads. They'll really tear your truck up.
Husky Liner's form-fit mudguards protects your fender from anything the road can muster. Easy to install, our exclusive Husky Shield film provides an invisible protective barrier between the mudguard and the vehicle's paint. They're tailored to match your fenders perfectly, so just add a couple screws and you'll be on the road in no time. Our form-fit mudguards are built to the maximum width for full tread coverage of single or dually factory tires. We don't mess around with mess around. And cleanup is easy. Just spray them right off and they're good to go.
So I've been hunting with my dad for years, and I never seem to see anything when I go with him. He doesn't know it, but I know that when we're out there, it's not even hunting season.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.